Hello, I'm Vania. Today I'm going to make a noodle omelette with cheese and sauce. An omelette is a dish that is usually made with beaten egg fried with oil or butter in a frying pan. It is usually filled with chives, vegetables, meats, onions, cheese, or combinations of those ingredients. For my omelets, I'm going to make it with eggs and noodles, and then I'll add some sauce and cheese on top of it. So without further ado, let's get into it.
The ingredients for this menu are an egg and a bag of noodle, salt, 2 glasses of water to boil the noodle, frying oil, sauce, and cheese. Firstly, beat the egg in a bowl and don't forget to add salt to taste. While boiling the noodles, add the seasoning and oil from the noodles to the egg. After approximately 3 minutes, drain the noodles, then pour it into the bowl with beaten egg inside and mix them. Afterward, pour the oil evenly on the frying pan, then fry the mix of noodles and eggs in the frying pan for about 5 minutes until it's cooked evenly on both sides. Next, put the omelette on the plate, then finally add some sauce and cheese on top according to taste.
Voila! So this is my omelette. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and maybe try my recipe. Thank you for watching.